Assalamualaikum students. Assalamualaikum students. Last time we have discussed exercise 5.5 question number 1. Now I start question number 2. If y equals to minus 2, 1, 2, then make two binary relation y cross y. Also find the domain and range. So we have y equals to minus 2, 1, 2, and we have to find y cross y. For this purpose, we write y cross y equals to minus 2, 1, 2 into minus 2, 1, 2. We make ordered pair. How many ordered pairs are there? In y there are 3 elements. Again in y there are 3 elements. So 9 ordered pairs are there. So we write 9 ordered pairs here. Minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So now we have to find two subset of y cross y, that is called binary relation R1 and R2. I take any two elements from y cross y, so I take minus 2 minus first one and second one, minus 2 1, and for R2 I take third and fourth one, minus 2 2 1 minus 2. What is domain R1? The first element is called domain. So here first element is minus 2, so domain is minus 2, and range is the second element. Here minus 2 and 1, so I write minus 2 and 1. In R2 there are two first elements, minus 2 and 1, so domain is minus 2 1, and there are two second element which is 2 minus 2, so range is 2 minus 2. This complete our question number 2. Now question number 3 and 4 is not involved. We have to solve question number 5. L is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 5, and m y such that y belongs to p and y is less than 10. It means L from natural number started from 1 and end with 5, and y is prime numbers less than 10, so I write prime numbers and first 5 natural numbers. After this I have to find L cross M, the binary relation of L cross M. This is the binary relation of L cross M. First we write 1 with all element of M, then we write 2 with all element of this, then we write 3 with 5 and 4. So we get these ordered pairs: 1 2, 1 3, 1 5, 1 7, 2 2, 2 3, 2 5, 2 7, 3 2, 3 3, 3 5, 3 7, 4 2, 4 3, 4 5, 4 7, 5 2, 5 3, 5 5 and 5 7. After this we have to complete our task. R1, we have to find R1 such that x y belongs x y ordered pairs linear such that y is less than x. Those ordered pairs in which y is less than x from these ordered pairs. from 20 ordered pairs from L cross M. So first is here one is less than x, but we have to find y is less than x. One is less than 3, x is less than y, x is less than y, x less than y, x equals to y, x less than y, x less than y, x less than y. Here x is greater than y or y is less than x. So first order pair is 3, 2. After this we 3, 3 equal, 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 7, 4, 2, x is greater than y. So second order pair is 4, 2. And third order pair is 4, 3, and then 4, not 4, 5, then 4, 2, 5, 2, and last one is 5, 3. These five ordered pairs here we write which is in which x is greater than y or y is less than x. R2, we have to find those ordered pairs in which x and y are equal. There are only three ordered pairs. First one is this one, 2, 2, then 3, 3, and then 5, 5. 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5, 5, in which both elements are equal. And R3, x, y side at x plus y equals to 6, whose sum is 6. So there are only three ordered pairs. First one is 1, 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 4, 2 is 6. There are three ordered pairs in R3. And in R4, we have to find those ordered pairs whose difference is 2, but y minus x, y is greater than x, and whose difference is 2. So 1, 3, 3, 5, and 5, 7 are three ordered pairs in which whose differences. Also write the domain and range of each relation. The domain of R1 and domain of R2 is domain and range of R1. The first element is called domain. So domain of this is 3, 4, again 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and the range of R2 is 2, 3, again 2, 3, 2, 3 only. And the rest of R2, R3, R4 is your homework. Try by yourself to solve this question. Okay, next. Next one is on book. We have to. Okay. Question number 6, indicate relation to function 1 to 1 on to, and there are only two parts 7 and 8. R7 is given 1, 3, 5 PQRS. We have to find either this is function or not. This is 1 to 1 function because against 1 there is only one element, against 3 there is only one element, and against 5 there is only one element. So it's 1, 1, and into function because range is subset of B. So it's into function. If range equals to B, then it's onto function. Here we can see that PRS is subset of PQRS, so it's into function. And the second one is not a function because 5 is missing, so it's a relation. Domain of R8 is 1, 3, 7, and range of A, B, C. It's onto relation because range is subset of B. So this complete exercise. Now we come on miscellaneous exercise 5, multiple choice question. There are 4 possible answers. Yes, there is 4 possible answers. फंक्शन कब होता है? ओके गुड बेटा फंक्शन तब होता है जब डोमेन देयर आर टू कंडीशन इफ वी हैव अ सेट ए 1 2 3 and B is A B C D. If A and this is B, 1 2 3 A, B, C, D. If all elements of A is used, domain R1, here R1 is 1A, 2A, 3A. ऐसा binary relation in which domain is equals to set A is called function. Simple. And second condition is no element of domain repeated. डोमेन का कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं, ये फंक्शन की कंडीशन है. इफ वी अगेन टेक द सेम 1 2 3 and A B C D 1 2 3 and 3. Now we can see that 3 is repeated, so it's not a function. 3C 3D. In this binary relation it's not a function because 3 is repeated. तो बेटा फंक्शन के लिए सिर्फ दो कंडीशन होनी चाहिए. डोमेन जो है